conversations with the guys.
Will you tell me why this have all? Like cockroach did I travel with it? Comment below if me and share the same clothes too. Rotted. At the back of the blouse, these people. Oh God, it fit me.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share, hit the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a new video or a vlog or whatever it is, because today we're in for a try on. So we're doing a try on today from Shein. I did this video last year and I'm back doing this video this year. So if you are a subscriber from about then, last year summer, you guys would have remembered when I did the back to school work try on all teacher edition from Shein. Yes honey, we're back doing it this year, 2023, and I had to grab on to this sale that was going on for the amount of items in the bag, 17 items, and I only paid $38 for the 17 items in the bag. So I have on this black top and I have on this skirt, black skirt. I'm gonna stuck it in because, you know, I want to have like an inside piece working with, and you know, so I can put the top over it. So last year to this year, I would say I would have gained weight. So this year, last year I did some pieces in large. This year I did not do any of the pieces in large. They are all XL and I think might be 2X. I don't remember if I got anything. Yes, but there is nothing there in large because if you're not following up, I gain weight. I have gained weight, and that is why your girl is trying to lose some weight. So follow up with my journey, follow up with everything, and just tag along on this channel. So I got my bag here, I got my package here, and wow, I'm surprised that they didn't cut my package open, because usually what they do is they cut it open to faster inside. That is what I'm gonna leave. People, 17 items from Shein. Everything just jumped at one time, but it's a lot of items. It's a lot. So 17 items. I'm gonna put everything on the bed. It don't even look like enough. To be honest, it don't even look like enough. White don't look like a lot. I don't even know. It don't even look like enough. Like, we got dark. What's going on? Got dark. It don't even look like a lot. So let's just make sure it's at 17. See that this is right here. Extra large, XL. And I can't see it. Don't worry about it, just believe me. XL. Nothing in this bag. I paid $4 for. The highest is probably $3 something. Be at $2 something, people. So I love the material. I've never bought anything from Shein and don't like the material. Oh my god. Does it feel so close? I'm hot. Okay. This extra large. This is it. The quality is nice. I like the color. I'm currently looking at the mirror that's in front. I love the color. Let me see it. Look. Nice. Like, it's not tight. If you just want to be comfortable, like extremely comfortable. You don't want any crease in the back to be showing. You could always go for a size up, but for me, so I love this. So piece 1. Piece number 2 is gonna be this. I'm getting warm. It's getting really warm. Okay, so this is orange, burnt orange, black, and white. It has like the same arm cutting from the top that I just tried on a while ago. So I guess I need help to come out of this too.
With the guys, I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it.
This part feels a bit closer than what I just tried on. But the color is nice. I'm gonna go over this side. Alright. This one seems to have a little bit more space. The arm part feels a bit closer than the other one, but I'm fine with it. Like, as I say, once I just want to make sure it's there, I can fit in it, and once I can fit in it, then I'm fine. I'm Gucci, and that's about it. So, girl fit in it, then girl is okay. Use my body type just to measure up. In terms of bust, I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure how much the right time my body measure, because even though I'm doing a workout, I don't do measurement, like I don't have tape measure. I need to, but I don't really know. I just always buy extra large, anything that extra large, and I realize that if I buy something extra and it fits me funny, I just don't bother with that style in extra large. I might size up. So this is my body type if you guys are interested in using me as an example. All right, let's go into number 3. And I'm gonna tell another quick little story time. You know what happened to me last year? Because I get the cheap things them. I now go around the bush and talk to, you know, like I know the cheap things them I buy from Shein. I get the cheap things them, and because I'm me alone now, it's not me alone who is purchasing the cheap things them. So much time go on the road. I'm see people on the road, now they same clothes, same day, same time. Me a pass, people pump me, I look at it, I'm like, we shop the same place, honey. Shein. Yeah.
We'll arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart.
Fits with more space. I like the color. I like the style. Comment below if me and you share the same clothes too. That's okay, baby. Alright. So this one fits with more space. This one has more space in it, like room, and it's longer, and you see the arms spacey, and this is an XL too as well. This is the back. I'll try to leave a link below for all of them, and the price on this screen. 17, I'll just read for XL, and that one I just want to make sure I say it's extra large too as well. Because as I said to you, I sometimes, based on review, okay, so this piece is a black, white, and green. If there's a Jamaica vibe going on in Jamaica, I can jump for this blouse or the one that I just tried on, like Jamaica Day. I don't know them vibe there, cultural vibe. I already bought something in extra large. I know fit none at all. None at all. When I say none at all, I mean none at all. Nothing can go down, nothing. Alright, I have a blouse similar to this that I bought last year. If you guys remember that vlog, that try and all in, when you can't comment. Alright, honey, I have something exactly like this that I bought last year, but just different style. This was in a whole heap of different colors too. Yeah, definitely better. More lighting hitting me from outside. It's because outside it get dark and but you kind of want the background also, but it's okay. So this is an extra large. I got something like this last year. It's like a more white color something. This is the back. If you want to use me as sizing. This is the front. And you know, if you want to be more spacious, if you want to have more space, then you can size up. Most of the times I really don't size up because when it hits extra large and you want to go in the 0XL or 1X, you gotta pay like $3 more. Who is doing that? Who doing that? Not me. I'm not do that. No. So I'm okay. I'm okay with it being like this. As I said, currently trying to lose some weight. So, you know. One. Alright. So, yeah. I'm looking in the mirror over. Burnt orange. I love burnt orange. I have this top in burnt orange that I wish I could wear every single day. Oh, but honey, I can't. But I love this burnt orange. Or what color? This don't look like it fit me. I got this in two colors. Same style, 2 color. Love it. Love it. Honey, I love it. I love it. I love the color. The color is so nice. Color is so nice. I love this. The color is nice. I have on this black skirt because it's the easiest thing I could find. I'm not putting up pants because my heart in here. The fun now, I know. I'm gonna noise also. But it looks nice with this black skirt. And as I said, and pants for me. Nice, honey. Yeah. Looking in the mirror over here. What I should have had. Babe wears in my work outfits. That Michelle have in look. You know, they're so close. I want to get white top. There was this white top for sale for $2 and I never buy it. I don't know why. When I'm going to look on Shein still. And design everything. It's a different color. Nice with the black too as well. There's 2 different colors, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. So this is green with a bit of nude, and yeah, XL has more sleeve. So weird because look how this blouse are full of space. Like, wait, I love unless my breasts are killing me in life. I don't hear me talk that all the time. Alright, but this is giving me an African, like a tribal vibe. Okay, so when there's Africa Day at school, I could rock. Why am I say rock? Like a RAC. I could rock this top. No? Yeah, give me Africa, mama. Alright, different color, different vibe. I'm definitely going to do a next order to get some more plain colors because I have a lot of colors and I want to have the plain colors too. Alright, so this one basic. It's like not too fancy about it for me. It's XL too. It's not stretching on at all. No, not stretching on at all. But this is it. You know, I want to get some nice colored bottoms on Shein. so I can always pop up my looks with color, you know, nice style. I wanna show up more this year for myself. All right, I think this takes me to Africa too. This look takes me to Africa too. This is stretchy. This is stretchy. Yeah, it has a lot of, not a lot, but has stretch in it. Right, look at this extra large, quite big. Look there, like house, like me I tell you, the extra large and they be tripping, like fitting in a whole different vibe. This takes me to Africa. Like I'm in a garden. Alright, you know, not too fussy. I'll do like a orange pants with it. I have a pants that I have been working from last year. I could wear that back with it too. Have yellow, have green, I have so much color, black, cream. What if colors and I can rock with it, like, you know? This is the back, very spacey. What's my down? Spacey, and it's extra large. So the extra large I make them nice. A piece of paper there, with paper. Look how this big. The hand is like a few of the pieces that I tried on. A different cut in the front. Alright, so you see? Full of space. Like, do I want to be buried in it? No, I don't. Someone tell say, you know, I stick with extra large as my size now. Until if I lose it, I'm probably gonna try a few large and stuff. But the pieces that I bought in large last year, they don't fit any at all now. They're too tight. So I have about 3 pieces that are wearing large. I may wear them, we tried fitting them once and I've never been back in them again. So the color for this, I love the color. I love the color. The color is so nice. Yeah. Alright, another in Mary Rose brand XL. This is stretchy. This is more like I can't really wear this by itself. This have hole. Why does this have a hole? Watch there. Me see if you not see. Watch there. Will you tell me why this have hole? It have hole, you know? It have hole. Like cockroach did I travel with it. Why it have hole, bro? Why I forgot fix the hole there? Can I let me now go have it and not go wear it? I see myself wearing a nice pink pants with this and a black jacket. Yeah. I'm a pink pants here, so I know some have to buy it from Shein, of course. Alright, so this has like snow on a darker tone. So it has blue, green, I wanna say blue, green. Is that burnt orange or is that, I don't know what color is that. Has cream, brown, like a whole different shading and stuff.
Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run, that this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down.
Alright guys, here is it. I wear my blue pants with it. As you know the pants them wear over and over. It's just the blouse them. Kinda low key. Don't wear them too often. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, so alright, so love it. Love it. Work vibe. It matches nice with the black skirt. But I don't wear skirt, so it matches nice with the black pants. And that's it, honey. Yeah. For more. I have 2 on the ground. I didn't realize. Oh my god, I love this top. The color is extra large. Looks kind of tight from here, but I love it. It's nice. I think this is the color to the brown I don't know the brown and black one. I feel like everybody have a their yard. I have one. Yeah, fit me good. Extra large, stretchy, full of space. Now I squeeze up my breast, see there? With the breast there. Whole heap of space today. Yeah. Love the color too. Red and pink. Fits nice with the black too. Yeah. Nice. Nice, mama. Love the arms. Detail on the arm. Look how, you know. The video's gonna be so long. Oh, I got one long sleeve. Only one long sleeve. Okay. Time too hot for really invest in a long sleeve clothes now. I love long sleeve, you know, but oh, man, I like how this button feel tight on the arm. Look, you know, I'm bad with it because, babe, they have to help me. Okay, this is close on the arm. This definitely a size up for this. Definitely a size up will do for this one. Like it fits, but a size up. Alright. Rotted. I know what ya? At the back of the blouse, these people. I'm not idiots. Alright. Not too bad. Fit like the first blouse I'm gonna try on. I want to turn on. Not look too bad. Yeah. It don't look too bad, but it could have taken a size up. But the thing is, this is sometimes it's the way they make it. Because if I size up, like it's gonna be really big in these lower areas that have a lot of space. But it could have sized up, and I don't think it would have even really look too bad. But I think I could have sized up with this for sure. But and the button, there's a button in the back that you lock it. Oh god, my ear plugged. Two more. Then say if you don't have Shein bag in your yard, you're not a girl at you. My yard full of it. This looks small.
In our lives, but you gotta be smart about it.
No, it's not. Not that at all. I love this. Nice black and white. Now your fitting a clothes. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Alright guys, so nice. You wanna wear black and white to school, to work, to the office, then you can't go wrong with this. It's extra large. I thought it was tight, but not tight, none at all. I would not size up on this. Yeah, perfect though. Perfect though. See that? Has a limited stretching, but it's good. This. What color is this? Is this brown? I actually got a long sleeve. Let me feel like it's tight.
Da 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 da. Get it to da. Get it to da. Da 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 da. Get it to get it to get it to da. Da 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 da. Get it to get it to get it to da.
God, it fit me. I had a great experience with all the stuff. Everything fits. Everything fits. Everything fits. Everything. Like me, breasts are a problem. In a life, breasts are a problem. When we can't work after the leave, I don't know if we can work after breasts.